Salutation to the God. Salutation to the God. God and self enlightenment is the same. God and enlightenment, inner light of all us, the same. God or self enlightenment is the same. So we should live. We should always think that we are not different from the God due to enlightenment, the nature of enlightenment of God. For us, for we, for all human beings of the world, means for us, the best way to live being as a God. Because God and the soul same. God and the soul same. We are actually soul, S-O-U-L. We are actually soul, soul or sense. Soul or sense same. On sense, we are not. We are within sense. Sense or God same. The sense or God is the same. We all belong to sense. We are not without sense. We are not never without sense. Always, regular, continuously, we are according soul, according sense. There is two different things, sense and sense. There are mainly two things, on sense, other on sense. Likewise, for example, iron, which always is black and cold, iron, I-R-O-N, iron, from which we make iron rods, iron pots. The iron always black and cold. In another side, fire is always red and hot. Other side, fire always is red and hot. Here are two things, or there are two things. We should know about two things in the life of man, burning in the world, burning in the earth. We should know at least two things. We should know at least two things. There are two things. There are two matters. There are two facts. There are two realities. That is, for example, one side iron, one side fire. The nature of iron is black and cold. The nature of fire is red and hot. It is true. For example, and why so? Why such example? Because to know the God, to know our ourselves, to know about himself, ourself, own self, to know actually, because we belong to God. We don't belong to world. Actually, we belong to immortal God. We don't belong to mortal order. Actually, so in this time, in present time, we should be converted into God. We should be converted into God by any way. By any way means according to the example of iron and fire. The example of iron, that is for world, and the example of fire for the soul, for the God, which we are. Only fire does not do anything, because the fire is itself sufficient. But iron cannot do anything without getting help of fire. Iron cannot do anything without getting the power of fire. Like that. Iron means world, and fire means soul. Fire means God, which we are. And how the pots, how the materials of the iron happens due to the help of only fire. Due to the only help of the fire, iron, from iron happens all kinds of pots, all kinds of pots, with the help of only iron. No, with the help of only fire. So, like that, the world is moving due to the with the help of conscious, with the help of soul, with the help of God. Whatever is world, whatever is bodies, they are moving, they are doing everything with the help of only God, with the help from soul. Soul means, God means, our actual nature means, self-enlightenment means, all the same. So, we are always not different from God. We are always not different from God. Actually, we don't belong to the world, because that is like iron, which is always cold and black. But the fire always red and hot. God always red and hot. Without God, body and oral, like adject with iron. So the world is moving, is doing everything due to the with the help of God. Without help, 1 minute also, neither world can work, neither bodies can work. Because sovereignty of the world, that is God. The sovereignty of the bodies, only God, or the soul, or the self enlightenment, or pleasance, pleasance in the name of God. God is the name of pleasance. Always pleasure, that is from only God. Without God, we cannot realize pleasure. So we belong to God. Because God and soul same. We are soul. We are with the sense. We are not within unsense, like iron. Iron only works with the help of the fire. Iron never can do without help of the fire. Like that. Fire means God, soul, our eternal position, our pure intelligence. So we are under pure intelligence. So we should use our facilities, we should use our rights, we should use our golden opportunity to convert into the God in this time, in the present time. जो है अपना स्वरूप, हम लोगों का स्वरूप वास्तव में परमात्मा ही है। वास्तव में हम लोग संसार के नहीं हैं, हम लोग परमात्मा से हैं। उदाहरण के लिए लोहा और अग्नि, लोहा और अग्नि। लोहा हरदम ठंडा रहता है और काला रहता है लोहा, लेकिन अग्नि हरदम लाल रहता है, हरदम उजाला रहता है, ऑलवेज लाइट। अकॉर्डिंग दैट, यही के मुताबिक अग्नि के दृष्टांत में हम लोग परमात्मा हैं। लोहा के दृष्टांत से संसार हम लोगों का यथार्थ स्वरूप नहीं है। जहाँ मृत्यु बैठा है, जहाँ मरण बैठा है, जहाँ दुख, चिंता, डर बैठा है, त्यस कारणले हाम्रो स्वरूप हो परमात्मा। वास्तवमा हाम्रो संसार यथार्थ स्वरूप होइन। दृष्टान्तमा फलाम र आगो हो। फलाम कालो हो, चिसो हो, आगो रातो हो, तातो हो। फलामले आगोको सहायताबाट मात्रै त्यसबाट भाँडाकुँडाहरू बनेका हुन्। त्यस्तै जो जड संसार छ, उसले परमात्माबाट शक्ति पाएर मात्रै उसले आफ्नो चलखेल गर्न सकेको हो, त्यो पनि मृत्यु उन्मुख भएर। त्यसकारणले हाम्रो यथार्थ स्वरूप हो आत्मा अनुरूप, भगवान अनुरूप, स्वयं प्रकाश अनुरूप, आनंदे आनंद अनुरूप। दिस इज द बेस्ट लेसन फॉर अस टुडे। आज के लिए हम लोगों का यही पाठ है। आज का मतलब विक्रम संवत 2081 साल महीना भाद्र महीना के 4 गते, आज मंगलवार। अकॉर्डिंग इंग्लिश डेट 2024, द मंथ is August, August 20 today, and Tuesday today, according Tithism, Bhadra Krishna Paksha Patipada, Mangalbar. We are listening and telling from Balaram Jishi, titles Abdit Pratip Saraswati from Nepal country, from Nepal Bhairava city. We are listening, telling directly through radios, means Rupandi FM from Nepal Bhairava, 102 megahertz from Radio Parasi megahertz, 90.2 megahertz, yeah, and 92.2 megahertz from Srinagar FM, Palpatanshan, and from Butol, Mukti FM from 95.5 point. We are listening, telling about the actual nature, that is, we belong to God, which is immortal, which is full of pleasance, which is always remains. There is no tension, there is no any troubles, there is only always happiness. Now the time is ending. Hari Om Tasat.